zoom. So here we have to take thread here, and the place where we take there itself, not exactly at the same point, just little bit, 1 or 2 thread ahead, and then you have to take a small length. And after that, now see, this is my thread. I have to take around the needle 5 times. I am taking 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm just taking it 5 times, and I have to press it here slowly, and slowly I have to take out needle from here. See, like this, slowly. Yes. Okay. So this is here. I have stretched or pulled the thread, and the same place where I have taken the thread out, from that same place I am taking it in. See here. So this is knot. See this is first knot, and I am giving space here because I want to make 2 colors, one this color, one I will make another in between. So I am taking out or pulling out the thread at another place. Don't stretch it much, slowly like that. Now again I will keep my thread back, and just near to where I have taken out, just near to that, I will put the needle down, and with small step I will take it out. Please, this step should not be very big. If this step is big, then you have to take more steps. Now see how many times I have taken here. 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So I have taken 5 times around the needle, and slowly, because my needle is little thick from here, that is why it is taking time. Okay, so please be patient with this thread, and slowly you have to pull it. And see here, just arrange it properly, and then after, the same place where it is started, you have to take it down. Now see here, like that. This is my next knot. So you have seen the previous one, it is looking very beautiful, and now this is my second one. This is called as knot stitch. Okay, then again I will keep the distance nearly 2 fingers, because I told you I will make here in between another color. Now this is my third one, like this. This is last time explaining you. From here, take a small step, this side need thread, bring it out 5 times around the needle. Slowly you have to pull it, press it where started, thumb should be there, but don't press it a lot, and then you can arrange it. If you feel that there is misarrangement, you can arrange it properly, and where from you started, just please take it down from here itself. Yes, so this is called as knot.